Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sunny. I am the founder of Spectre AI, and I'm here with a walkthrough voiceover of the app and the functionalities within the app that I will be going through one by one. But first and foremost, I wanted to say a big special thanks to Google for Startups, as we are part of basically their venture, and I wanted to say a big thank you to the Google engineers, our startup account managers, for helping us with all the solutions, especially on the Monarch AI Chatzone, GCP solutions as well. You don't know where you're going without remembering where you've been. So I think it's the right moment to say a big thank you. For those who do not know, we're part of Google for Startups scale tier. So their funding was definitely helpful in creating this app. So now, without further ado, I just want to go over through some of the functionalities within the app. And here we can start off with obviously our sleek aesthetic UI dashboard. We start off with obviously the Bitcoin chart, always that welcomes you in the morning when you check what's going on with Bitcoin dominance. The charts, if for those who do not know, you can actually check them out here in full screen mode. Go over. Same thing will go for the altcoin season index. Right now we see it at a 35 scale, slowly rising. I think 2 weeks ago this was at around 22 mark. So you can see it's definitely picking up. The volume is picking up. You can see that the overall market cap is definitely changing. Are we in a bull market? I personally do believe so. We have the fear and greed index, obviously. Today it's reaching a very, very high peak at 84. So I think the market is really turning up. We have the market performance with all the necessary news that you need here and on the side, as well as sector performance and categories, right? So you will have your memes, your AI, layer ones, layer twos, gamify, anything that you need. Actually, we're expanding this section where we're going to have actually a market performance with funding rates and all that information due to popular demand. And the sector performance will have its own tab where basically we'll have this on the left side and all the charts of sectors all in one box. So it will allow people to gauge which basically sector is gaining traction. Here we have X trending, so showing you all the most popular tickers on X. So you'll be able to know immediately what is trending right now. One of the new add-ons we're actually doing is having the ticker work with the actual search engine. I will pivot to that in a second. Here we got our partners in focus. So let's see, here we're having Palm AI, where I'm going to add them up here for a second. There we go. Here you have Spectre trending with all our partners listed, general market trending and top gainers, and of course top coins with categories being showcased in this particular section. Now let me just go through Palm AI. I'm going to go into the research zone and we're going to do a deeper dive on them. So many people do not know that there is actual research zone here. So here's a prime example of how it actually looks. We start off with Palm AI, all their socials, all the necessary information, impressive price performance. We got the contracts, where to buy the project, the categories, all the main tweets. We got a flip card going on here. Then we move on to the charts. Obviously, you can check the scale and performance right here. If you don't like to check price, you prefer to navigate with market cap scale, you've got that as well. You got the project summaries, all the information. You got the engagement, sentiment, basically. So you can actually see and monitor how sentiment is following price action. You can see an incredible score for Palm AI 8.3. So in this section, in Sentiment Analysis Pro, we have around 66 different engagement metrics, including social performance, market performance, price performance. So everything is intertwined together to give you an overall picture of the performance of the token. As we can see, is very healthy right now. Current happenings, future plans, all of these important information here. You got the partners tweets or influencers tweets, everything being showcased here. And obviously a very important part, technical analysis, seeing the overall price performance. And if you do not know charts, you do not know where the support and resistance is, well, here you can see the demand zone, perfect bounce, straight into the resistance right now. So Palm AI seems to be tackling a breakout, and this is a fantastic way to show where to expect more sell pressure and buy pressure for those who do not understand technical analysis. And here you'll have far more details on the TA with explanation what each basically metric means for you. And here you go, you'll be able to check this out. So once we click this button, it'll go all the way up. Now let me go into the search engine right here. So let's say if I want to write Palm AI. This is an overall search engine we've done for crypto. I'm gonna click that. It's gonna load. There you go. You got Palm AI, all the socials, all the prices showing, everything in a very, very quick way. You can see sector performance. We can close that, and you can see all the top mentions, obviously, of Palm. So here you can see which potential projects or KOLs are connected with Palm AI lately. You can see Woods here. You can see Spectre AI, Crypto Talk. So definitely worth checking out. And then obviously here you can see who is mentioning Palm. How is this happening? There you go. More tweets. You can obviously select by more time frames, more tweets. So everything will be here, curated for you to actually show you more of Palm AI. Now, another function that we can go to, obviously we have is the heat maps. So you can see the market performance in your in one go. You can flip those cards, check. There'll be a lot of changes we'll be doing within this sector, so please have a look for that. Then we got the news section, which is also obviously being changed and added every day. So it's more like a web browser. You can see it's here Cointelegraph. You can see the actual links, all the necessary information. We can go to UI favorites. Here you have multiple charts. You can add a couple of more projects. Let's add a mess here, for instance. Let's add a couple more. There we go. So let's say I got 4 projects right here. I can click on any chart, a second chart, third, and fourth. Now you'll be able to track basically the recent performance, the actual chart, everything is going on. If you want, you can go for full screen. So basically you can navigate your watch list this way. Everything is interconnected. You can choose the performance here, change your time frames. You can see who's the top gainer in the last moment. Here you got Messier, Palm in the last day, Hash AI in the last 7 days, Messier in the last 30 days, let's say. And you can see who's performing the best, let's say, in your watch list, right? Here you got a quick shortcut. Now, we can obviously proceed now to the user dashboard. You can see basically a certain token amount. You can see which tiers you currently hold, and soon we'll have available subscriptions as well as revenues taken where you can claim income, and there'll be an ambassador program for Spectre AI. Obviously, we'll be soon having also a date mode, so please look out for that. A lot of elements are coming to the dashboard, and a few more functions are coming to the actual app is the Spectre Dex, the X Bubbles, which is our 2 very coveted features, and the AI Chatzone Monarch. 2 more elements that are not showcased here as well is Spectre Pulse, which will be more of a socialify element that's coming, and an actual Spectre Screener, which is very connected with the DEX. That's where you'll have all the top gainers, new launches, more signals, more information, basically what's happening. So this would be an overall showcase for users to see basically how to use the app, how to navigate, what to look out for. And yeah, without further ado, I just wanted to thank you for your time and hope you enjoy. The app is live. Please remember that the app is free at its core, and you will need to hold 1,000 Spectre tokens in order to enjoy a few more of the premium functionalities, as well as future utilities are coming and future revenue and staking. Thank you for your time.